Good afternoon, dear subscribers and our guests. Thank you for being with us. Slowly but surely. The modern gastronomic trend of slow cooking is actually an age-old culinary tradition. Everything comes back around eventually. This is exactly how our ancestors all over the world used to cook. For a long time, at low temperatures, in cooling ovens. This is exactly how food was cooked at low temperatures in the traditional Russian stove. Once heated, it would give off warmth for hours, gently enveloping the food in mild heat and creating a slow simmering effect. We cook with tenderness, so the food turns out not just delicious, but healthy too. The answer here is simple: don't rush. Cook slowly and at low temperatures. This so-called old-fashioned method of stewing and simmering has become quite popular today among those who care about their health but don't want to give up the pleasure of good food. Long, gentle cooking lets food retain all its nutrients, become tender, keep its juiciness without oil or sauce, and still look really appetizing. This method was discovered by the English scientist Benjamin Thompson. One day, he had the idea to cook a whole lamb shoulder in an oven meant for drying chemical reagents. The temperature inside the oven never rose above 80 degrees, and cooking such a large piece of meat took several hours. But what was the result? The meat turned out incredibly tender, soaked in its own juices, and it practically melted in your mouth. The explanation is that at low temperatures, the collagen in the muscle fibers doesn't tighten up and turn tough. Instead, it transforms into something else entirely. That's where this special texture comes from. Using the slow cooking method, in water or foil, in the oven at a low temperature of no more than 90 degrees, you can cook beets, turnips, celery root, carrots, cauliflower, sweet potatoes, and even onions and garlic. This way, vegetables keep far more vitamins, stay firm without becoming tough, and turn out wonderfully tender. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and as always, there's more to come.